Hi guys, I want to share with you something. Okay, so I am having episodes right now. Sobrang hirap. And I just want to share with you about being courageous. Pag sinabi natin being courageous, it doesn't mean that you have to be ready. Being courageous is you're going to do things even though things are uncertain, even though you are afraid. That is being courageous. So for those people who are trying right now, be courageous everyone. Hindi po kayo nag-iisa. What important is you are trying even though you are not sure for the things that may come.